WordPress Facebook Chatbot creates conversation flows that helps to program suggestions, answers for bot to communicate with your users when they enter into your WordPress website. This video guide you on how to install and use WordPress Facebook Chatbot plugin. Install the plugin from the zip file. Go to Facebook Chatbot, Settings, enable to use this plugin. Follow Facebook API guide to connect the plugin in Facebook. Firstly, create your Facebook app by clicking the link and select Manage Business Integrations type. Secondly, add FB settings page, basic, copy app ID, app secret to your plugin settings page. Thirdly, fill all your information. Fourthly, add products, Facebook login with web platform, webhooks and Messenger. Fifthly, in Facebook login, settings, copy the valid OAuth redirect URL from the plugin settings and paste it to the settings of the Facebook login. Sixthly, in webhooks, copy the callback URL and verify token from the plugin settings and paste it to the settings of the webhooks. Next, click Connect to Facebook button, select page you want to connect, accept permissions, done. Then, after connect to Facebook, return your Facebook app, Messenger, settings. Edit paid subscriptions, click 3 fields like the screen above. Now you can build a conversation on this chatbot and test it first. The customer typing is to list some common questions of customers when chatting on Facebook Messenger. Then Chatbot will give respective responses as your desire when you chat online to customers. You can enlist as many questions that you think customers may ask as you want in this section. You can use 11 available elements to program answers for your bot. Add button to redirect to a URL or nodes created in the flow section. See the flows. Saves and test with bot whenever you want to check conversion flows created. The fixed actions help to program the responses for the Facebook chatbot when it meets the popular requests from the customer. There are 2 fixed actions. You can program the responses for each action using 11 available basic elements. The users who touch the messages box for the first time will see it first. The welcome message is automatically displayed when the customers access Facebook Messenger. The flows option helps to create a chat flow, giving more options for users to choose. You can create as many flows as you want by clicking on the plus button. Flows created can be linked to the customer typing and allows to choose flow actions to let bot chat with customers. There is a sample flow by default for you to refer to. You can drag to scroll up and down the flow page. Move a flow to anywhere you want, collapse or remove a flow. In each flow, you can create nodes that equalize options customers choose on conversation flows. You can form nodes with available elements to program actions for bot. Persistent menu is always displayed on the customer Facebook Messenger. You can change menu you want in persistent menu, maximum 3 elements. Change the name of menu you want to display in the persistent menu. Choose the type of actions when the customers click on each menu, and select responsive with the respective type. Thank you for watching our video and subscribe to get our new videos.